The 30-year-old gentleman presented with medial meniscus tear, the parameniscal cyst. On arthroscopy, the flap tear in the medial meniscus is excised. MCL picosting is done to open up the medial compartment. Decompression of cyst is attempted anteriorly, as it could not be decompressed completely. Posterior medial compartment is entered, and you can see the cyst, the posterior medial compartment. A rent is made in the cyst. The cystic fluid is evacuated completely. Using a shaver, walls of the cyst are abraded. Cyst is decompressed completely, and that's the tear which you can see. The tear which was created is being closed using a fast fix. There's a second fast fix which is used to repair the meniscus tear, which is laminar in nature. This is the third fast fix. And that's the final repair. The rent is being completely closed using fast fix. And the meniscus laminar tear is being repaired.